Hello, Sophie to Susie here. This is video number 2 of what to do with your leftover glass. We all have it, don't we? Lots of it. And this series of 3 videos is a little how to make mosaic with your glass. So in this video, you see me actually putting the pieces in place. Very painstaking. Just to let you know, one side of this shower takes about 12 hours. Yes, 12 hours. And there's 3 of them and the floor. So today I'm going to make a start on the 3rd and final side of the shower, which is quite exciting because it would be quite nice to be able to use the new bathroom. So let's go upstairs and watch how I do it. I've taped up this paper and I'm just pushing it into the crease where it meets the walls on either side. And now can't find my piece of graphite, but look, old school crayon is doing a lovely job. And this is going to give me, obviously you can see rather nicely, my edge for where I am going to mosaic up to. Make sure it's nice and hard, nothing missing. That's the detail I need to take, and then I folded these into the corners, and to the bottom. I did all that, which will give me a size. I'm going to come in a little bit because experience has taught me that for some reason, I don't know, probably it's just harder to get in if it's absolutely snug. So what I have to do now is in the same way that this pattern carries on here, I've got to draw it over here. I think I'm going to work on this and you don't really need to watch me. So I will firm up the design and then we'll move on to how I lay it down. So that's the whole thing, and I'm going to film myself as I make a start. In addition to the background colours of waves, I have these sea monsters. I have these trays just to help me construct, and I tend to start with the monsters and then build up the background colours around them. And these wheeled cutters are the best ones.
Translate this lump in my throat into melody. If songwriting is not for navel gazing, then what is? I don't want to feel ashamed all the time. No space for me to wonder. Do I dare? Do I dare? No time to turn back and descend the stair. In the evening, when I return home to a quiet house, space and time are bound. Despair makes itself known, flooding back, catching up. Oh, remember the time when solace was a haven for me. My love keeps my sadness well hidden. A hundred visions and revisions will make themselves scarce as we breathe the same air. No space for me to wonder. Do I dare? Do I dare? No time to turn back and descend the stair. I loved my love with all my beating heart. Such a shame then that I have such
I've got to the point where I've done about a third, and this took me over 9 hours. And I'm about to tape this up before moving on to the next portion, so as to avoid mishap. Now I'm putting down masking tape because I'm going to be using this very sticky Gorilla Tape, and it's going to stick to the paper around it if I'm not careful. So this way at least it will just pull the masking tape off in the areas where it has overshot, and hopefully won't take the pattern with it. I will take a photo of what I've done, because once I've put the tape on I won't be able to see it, and I'll need a visual reference so I can remember what colour the animals are, where they are, for when I subsequently do the rest of the mosaic. This is possibly one of my most nerve-wracking moments, the taping part of production, shall we say, because you have to put it down with confidence and you only get one go. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this section of the video interesting. I hope it is inspiring to you for what to do with your many leftover bits of glass. And yes, please like, comment and subscribe.